2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, CD player, power windows, security system, heated front seats, rear window defroster, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.